Google+, since its launch in 2011, has been a potentially important social platform to connect with like-minded people. It has grown beyond just being an interactive platform to share posts and photos, and is now actively used for business marketing and brand awareness. This course by Academy Europe explains how to use Google+ for personal and business purposes. How to build communities, add circles, and share ideas is explained using simple steps and screenshots for convenience. The course also explains how connecting Google+ account with other social network helps to increase traffic to our website/page, leading to successful business opportunities.